One thing I really want to do to this car is I want to get a new shift knob, but I don't know if I have enough seat time yet.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo. Light and dark. Hold me hard, I'm mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close, tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors. In the place to feel the tears, the place you lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior. A place that is so pure, so dirty and wrong. In the bad all day, bad all day, bad all day. Loving and falling on. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a paradise and it's a war zone.
Absolutely love the SC300. Since I've been a kid, I've always loved Supras and Toyotas and stuff like that. And I particularly love this car because how many people on YouTube or the internet do you see building SCs? These are like the unsung Japanese heroes. We're here trying to make this thing great again. It's been a little while since we've taken good care of it. And now that it's going to be street legal really soon, I'm trying to get this car drivable, and I'm trying to make it as clean as possible. You know, it's my drift car, or whatever you want to call it. It's a fun car at that, and a car that I love to mod, but we need to make it at least nice to drive, and drivable, and enjoyable to be on the inside of it. I spent about an hour or more doing the alignment on this car this morning. It was really bad, especially after doing the new angle kit. I had new toe arms to adjust. In my very limited knowledge of how to align a car, I think I did a pretty decent job. Typically in cars that are built for drifting, you want to have a little bit of toe in the rear, and you want to have a bit of toe out in the front. This is the maximum amount of negative camber I can run on this car. I might need new lower control arms that extend out a little bit more. I'm not sure, but this is not, or maybe just new bolts, but it's not, there's no more camber can be allowed in this with this thing. But today we're going to be putting the flux dash back in, putting the tack back in, and just getting the car buckled back up. Hey, now let's go over here to look at my work of art that got absolutely destroyed by the rain. Sick, dude. Good game roof. This is my flock dash. If you missed this video, well, I don't think many of you missed that video. It's great. It's a good video. It's about damn time we put a dash back in this car. A dash and a tack with gauges and things you can actually see what's going on with the car.
Much better.
I couldn't find all the freaking bolts. Fits perfectly. Look at that. I actually got a dash now. This is tight. I want to make a custom insert piece, and I will actually. I say I want to do stuff a lot, but I actually will. I've seen a lot of SCs with custom inserts that go like from here down to here and all the way across there, and I really want to do to make one of those. I miss having a tack in this. I miss having a gauge cluster in this car. Damn. The one bummer is I still can't adjust this telescopic thing. So I'm looking into getting maybe a Mark IV Supra steering column or Mark III Supra steering column and see if that can just swap right out. I mean, that's all right. I can still drift like this. By the way, I have a drift event tomorrow. One thing I really want to do to this car is I want to get a new shift knob, but I don't know if I have enough seat time yet. There you go. I'll let the women do the cleaning. You're supposed to be, why are you smiling? You're supposed to be offended. I'm so mad.
Prisoners, then we're free. It's a thin line. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors. In the place to feel the tears. makes you lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior. A place that is so pure, so dirty and raw. In a better day, better day, better day. Loving and falling on. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a paradise and it's a war zone.
Man down, man down, man down. It's a Lex now. Oh, there's no more us anymore, okay? I'm sorry, Lexus. Just, I gotta work on us now. A huge shout out to Get Dipped Services. This car is going to finally get its new color here in next week, actually. This thing will finally have its new color. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so excited for that. I've been wanting to do a new color on this since I moved to California, and it just didn't happen. But now that we're back in Texas, it's gonna happen. It's time to make this SC300 great again, and I think we're really gonna do it, boys. I'm so pumped. This thing's finally clean again. Even on the inside, like, it hasn't been clean, especially since it's been caged. We've been doing so much stuff with it. Wiring's been tossed around, and even though it's still a little dusty and everything, it's not the cleanest it can possibly be. We just showed the color. I'm supposed to be recoloring this to my dad, and he just freaked out. So no more metal shavings. Things are bolstered down to where they need to be. We have a freaking dash now. We have a working set of gauges in front of me. I don't have things that, like last time I drifted, I had wires in front of my clutch pedal. I couldn't clutch kick right because I had freaking wires right there. So it's just awesome. The car is nice, composed a little bit, and it'll just be nice, kind of relaxing and peaceful to drive rather than worrying about what the hell my feet are touching. I'm gonna take this little guy just for a spin, just to make sure my alignment is not wonky. I really just wanna make sure that my wheel can stay straight while I'm driving straight, because last time my wheel was like turned yeet over here. It was not fun. This new angle is sick, dude. All right, it drives straight. It drives straight. We got it. Yay! It has literally been since when we moved to California. We had to keep it outside no matter what. So it didn't have garage space, and to keep it at TJ's shop, had to be outside because his shop was always full of cars. We finally got approved for this place that we're gonna be living. We're moving in next week, thank God. We're moving into a place with a 2-car garage. This thing will finally be able to be clean and always in a garage and not disgusting. And I think that was the biggest demotivator for me personally to work on this car, because it was always so incredibly dirty. And I can't stand when cars are super, super, super dirty. My OCD kicks in, and I'm just happy this car's clean again. Now we're gonna get this car loaded up on the trailer for the drift event tomorrow. I'm really, really, really stoked to get some seat time again, so that I can install a shift knob without judgment. Let's just appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. Appreciate the shine, appreciate the cleanness. Ooh, ooh. All right, let's get it loaded up. Why did you park the trailer right here? With Dad? You guys already know I'm not the greatest at maneuvering a trailer in a vehicle, so we gotta get your boy. I think he's in here. Hey, thanks, Sim. We're gonna get this damn gum thing loaded up. Man, I'm so freaking excited. I ain't driving no damn gum trailer in freaking long ass time, brother. Some bitch gonna be freaking load this some guy up here. This is what I'm freaking talking about, though. It's luxury as hell, brother. And actually, hold up. Somebody tell me what the hell these freaking racers doing putting a damn gum carbon fiber hood on this freaking Jeep. Hold up, let me show you this piece of crap. American V8, not some Japanese piece of crap with this some bitch. What the hell they put this freaking thing on here for? You ain't need to lower this weight. It needs to be heavier. Oh, brother. Yay! Tom, get out of here. I heard him talking smack. He was talking crap about our carbon fiber hood. Idiot. Let's get this sucker loaded up. I think I can do it myself. I have a feeling with the way that this is laid out that I'm either definitely gonna have to take my bumper off, or this is going to take the bumper off for me. Yep, we are definitely gonna take this bumper to Pound Town if we don't take it off. You know, I'm actually surprised at how well this motor just idles. It's so awesome. We're gonna try and work some magic here. He's got these little ramps right here. We're gonna try and get this car on those ramps, then push those up. We'll see. Well, There goes the bumper. Sorry, bumper.
Oh, it's like right in the middle?
Yeah, it's too low. I'm used to this. We've got the tires packed up for full sendage tomorrow. We're gonna go home, pack up a toolbox. I haven't eaten lunch, it's like 3 o'clock. Wife and I are about to die. I'm not taking very good care of my wife. And I gotta go find Trailer Tom. I don't know where he went. Okay, we've got big old Bessie filled up with some gas. And we ready to go with the Lexus. Make the SC great again. Let's go. Let's do it. You guys gotta do it with me. Gotta make it great again. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you tomorrow for some nice, relaxing wall taps. Peace out and be victorious. Hey, actually, I'm gonna be able to drift without an excuse tomorrow. This is gonna be nice. Make sure you guys watch one of those 2 videos I got right in front of you. I do have drifting content, but I also have those 2 special, very special videos right in front of your face. I know you wanna watch them right now. Click on them right now. Don't watch nobody else.